Weather forecast is calling for 2 days of rain, but I'm gonna go out to the forest and make some tacos. So we're just gonna hike in about an hour here, set up camp, get some firewood. I have a pair of cheapo tent poles here, so just gonna use it to set up the tarp. Just gonna tie a clove hitch over this tent pole here. Okay, it's time for some firewood. I see a whole bunch of standing dead trees behind me, so I'm just gonna grab a couple of those and then we'll bring them back here, cut them up, and start the fire. Maybe we'll dig out a small fire pit area as well. Whew. Got 2 for 1 there. Let's bring them back. So the trick is to just look for somewhere where there's already a crack, put the axe right there, hold it like this, and then just smash down. Like that. Found a nice down birch tree over here, and just gonna get some of the birch bark to set the fire. So we use birch bark to start a fire because it has a chemical in it called betulin, and it basically is hydrophobic and very flammable. So that's why it even will burn when it's wet. So just gonna get a little bit of this, and then head it back up to camp. Okay, so I'm going to try to build a fire pit right here. Just going to dig out all this pine duff and get a nice dirt spot. We have some old El Paso tacos and ground beef. So we'll fry this up on the fire, get the condiments going. Ourselves an avocado as well. And a nice lemon for seasoning after. Got our 4 tacos. We'll eat this, and then we'll see if we can have a little bit of hot chocolate for dessert. Always have an issue with overflowing these little shells. It's so good. I think I put too much stuff in the tacos. They keep falling apart when I take a bite. Look at this giant mess. Have some hot chocolate and a couple of marshmallows. Just gonna put this in here. See how this goes. Look at those marshmallows, they really puffed up. Nine o'clock right now, and the fire's starting to die down. Running out of firewood. So, gonna go into the sleeping bag and get some rest. See you in the morning. Good morning, 7 a.m. right now, and the sun's just coming up. It's 8 degrees or so right now, and it rained all night, so everything's pretty soaked. Gonna start up the Bush Buddy and just make a little bit of water for a tea. Not really gonna have too much of a breakfast this morning, still full from those tacos. Surprisingly not too damp on the bottom of my sleeping bag, even though it was raining all night. It's about 7:45 right now, and we have everything packed in our bag and ready to go. It was a really good overnighter, and we have a window right now where it's not raining, so gonna head back over to the car. Okay, we'll see you in the next one.